What's up, ladies and gentlemen? What's going on? Mark McNeely here. Hey, so this is going to be a very quick video. I wanted to share with you all how you can actually make some really quick money. We're talking about $200 to $500 here within the next day. Simply just downloading a particular app and completing tasks, like really simple tasks. So as you can see, this is my name, Mark McNeely. I've so far earned 52 bucks, and the only thing I did was I subscribed to a YouTube channel. I received a $10 bonus to do that. I mean, that is very simple to do. And then I registered for free, right? And I received 40 bucks for just creating a free account. You guys can utilize my link below in the description box of this video. But basically, this company is called SurveyJunkie, and what it does is it allows people. See, someone just made $148. They were just paid $148 as we speak. All right, from this company. So you can do small survey tasks. Like there's tasks that you can do. I'm getting ready to work on this $600 bonus. All right, and so for me to receive this $600 bonus, there's different tasks that I would have to do. All right, like we're talking about downloading a couple apps, maybe playing a few games or taking some surveys and or sharing your link. Like they're going to give you your own personalized link, all right, which is going to track everything to you. And when you share your link, let's say you share your link with friends and family, you just click one button and it goes down your contact list. When they just click on your link, you're going to receive $2. All right, they just click on your link, you're going to receive $2. If they sign up for free, all right, as you can see, someone else just made $382, all right, via check. So you can get paid via check, via PayPal, Bitcoin, Cash App, and I think it's another way. All right, but you get paid when you complete these simple tasks. All right, simple tasks, really simple. You can share your link with friends. You can share your link with your children if they have phones, and when they register and sign up under you, you're gonna make $15 just for them registering. But you're gonna make 40 bucks as soon as you sign up for free. So when you sign up, register, that's pretty much the promotion at the time of this video. They're just gonna pay you $40, ladies and gentlemen. All right. So this is so cool. So I'm gonna work on this bonus here. It's a $600 bonus, and literally you're just using your phone. Like you don't. It's really not hard at all. You're just sharing the information. So this is someone else. They made $407 by completing the task, and their payment was sent out via PayPal. So you're gonna get a referral link. Make sure you guys click on my referral link. This is it right here. It says share this link and earn $2. So if they just click your link, let's say they're not interested, they don't want to do it. If they just click the link, you're gonna receive $2. All right. And it says for every person who clicks on it, um, earn an additional $15 when they sign up. And guys, it's free for you to sign up. There's no credit card required. You just register your name and your email address, and you're gonna literally see the money right there in your back office, like you see here. I'm only sharing this because I know this is a way for anybody to, really simply work from home or just do something on your spare time while you're watching TV and you're literally making money. You can cash out the same day. All right, somebody else just cashed out. Let me adjust the screen. $419. All right, so there's different tasks that you can do. All right, you can make money by doing a $60 survey. So you can just like literally do a survey and make income. All right, I just got started. All right, you refer friends. You just click the little button. You're gonna earn $15 just for downloading the app. You're gonna earn 40 bucks, which you're gonna see that immediately, instantly in your account. All right. You collect badges, so these are different tasks. You can earn $1,000. You can do the hourly cash giveaway. You get clicks to your link. All right, which that's very easy to do. I know how to do that on a high scale. You can get clicks to your link, and all you're doing is getting clicks, and you earn $2 per click. So that is pretty powerful. All right. What else? So it is pretty cool. I think it's a really awesome way for people to All right, this guy here, Ricardo, I think it is, just earned $225. The tasks are not hard at all, and it doesn't take long. You literally can have $200 in your bank account probably before you go to bed. So you literally can have over 50 bucks in your account, like literally as I'm talking on this video. That's how simple and easy this is, guys. So don't wait, don't stand on the fence. Um, you can, they've got social media posts. So if you're on social media, you can just post a link on social media and they're going to pay you $100. Like these are different, like if you have Snapchat, I don't have Snapchat, you get a Snapchat reward, you get a YouTube video reward, you get Facebook video reward. All right, so for this YouTube, I'm gonna upload this YouTube video link into this app, and I'm gonna make 50 bucks just for this video. All right, so there's just little tasks that people can do, all right, that you can do and earn rewards. Like it's not hard, ladies and gentlemen. So this ran across my desk tonight, or across my phone as I was literally taking a bath, and I was like, yo, I gotta jump on this. So you can share this with your friends, family members, like just literally send them a text message, like just go down the contact list. You're going to already have your own personal links, and you can hook up payments like PayPal, Bitcoin, Cash App, or you can get a check sent to you in the mail. And that's it. Once you complete the task, you're good. All right. So, hey, that's it. It's not hard. Go ahead, look below. There's a link in the description box. I promise you the link will work. Click it, click it, click it, click it, click the link, get started. As soon as you register, ladies and gentlemen, under my link, you're going to make 40 bucks. No credit card required, free to get started. Just click the link, put your name, put your email. Instantly 40 bucks is going to be in your back office that you can actually start earning and cashing out with. So, that being said, I'm going to get out of here because I'm about to go to sleep. Again, click the link, click the link, click the link, click it. All right. Take care, guys. I know this is going to be a blessing to you, and it's extra money that you can spend, pay bills, do whatever you want to do. This is the easiest thing I've probably have ever seen in terms of making money from your phone. All right. And I've done so many make money from home opportunities. So that's it, guys. I'm gonna get out of here. Take care.